I'm gonna teach you this Sherwyn song called "What If." I really like this song. The only thing I wish was different was that it was longer. All right, it's a riff-based song. I'll put a link in my description. It's the riff. Kind of reminds me of that Aaron Jones song. Aaron Jones has a song with a kind of riff-based thing. I think the Aaron Jones song is in drop D. I'm just in standard tuning here. Anyways, this is just like kind of a bluesy rock lick. Okay, let's break down the riff. The first part of the riff is this little. Okay, that's where I would say that's the first part. We play open A, and then immediately fret the second fret on the A string, and then immediately we play the D string open. Okay, and then after playing the open D, we fret the D string at the second fret. And that gives you an E, by the way, the octave of the open. All right. And then, coincidentally or not, we hit the open E. And then you let the E ring for just maybe like one beat, and then you mute it. Okay. You put a little distortion on this if you want. Just light, don't go crazy. Okay, that's the first part. And then the second part is just playing those octave E's. That's part number 2. We start with the E on the second fret on the D string, and then we play the open E. And that repeats. One time it repeats. Alright, that's number 2 part of the riff. And then that whole parts 1 and 2 repeat. Repeats a third time. And then for the fourth bar, we go. Okay, we go open. Or we do the D, it's all on the A string. Fifth fret on the A string. Open A, followed by the fourth. This is what you would call a chromatic riff. So we're playing we're going from the but in between we're playing the open A. Okay, and then that completes it, and then it begins again. Now, you gotta play it with some, I'm playing it as I'm teaching you that, I'm playing it straight beat, but it's not a straight beat. It's got a little, the beat, some beats are longer than others in this riff. Right now I messed up that one, but it still sounded okay. That's the trick. If you mess up, try to make it sound okay, so no one will notice. All right, and it's like, what if? what if time could get behind us? What if police could stop the violence, their violence? And what if things just stay the same? That's the song, What If. I like it a lot. I just wish it was longer. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy. I'll put a link in the description. Bye.